Lexi. I'm a stylist at the Clip Joint Salon in Westchester. I'm going to be teaching you the waterfall braid today on my client Rachel. So you don't really need many products. You just need a comb. Make sure the hair is all combed out. And depending on you, you can start on either side. I preferably start on the right side because I'm right-handed. And you just take a section from the corner of her hairline here, and you section it into 3 parts. And you just start doing like a normal braid. And when you toss the second one over, you're going to drop it down and just leave it there. And then you pick up a small section the same size right underneath. And you just continue braiding. When you cross these over, you're going to drop them into all 3 fingers. And you're going to pick up a piece like you would just like a normal French braid, and you're going to drop it down the middle. And then you continue braiding. And the piece that you dropped in the middle is the one that you're going to let go and fall down. You just let them hang there. And then you continue, you pick up a piece on the side, about the same size. The rest of the hair in between your fingers. Pick the top piece up and drop it in the middle. This is going to be the piece that you're going to let hang down. So you flip it over like that. And you can pull on these, make sure it looks good. Pick up your next section. Pick one up from the top. Drop it down the middle. And then you're going to cross it over and leave that one down. And then you just continue doing that all the way around the head. I just use my pinky to rest the extra strands on, just so I have one free hand. Just to try to make it as neat as possible. Drop it in the middle. Continue braiding. Once you get around the ear, I start taking smaller sections. I'll pull the one section right on the bottom behind her ear, and I start grabbing on diagonal sections around the front. You just let it all down, pull on some if anything gets messed up in there. You continue braiding this all the way down. And then what I'd like to do is I like to pull it under and tuck it back here. I'm going to grab a bobby pin. And then you can just bobby pin that braid right up in there. There's your waterfall braid. There you go.